Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Few drinks capture the essence of Thai street food culture like Thai milk tea. With its bold orange hue, creamy sweetness, and strong black tea base, it's become a global favorite. Originally sold by street vendors, it's now a staple in cafes and homes far beyond Thailand. The mix of condensed milk, evaporated milk, and aromatic spices like star anise gives it a flavor that's unlike any other iced tea. What makes it so addictive? It's the perfect balance of bitter and sweet, with a smooth, rich texture that cools you down on a hot day. Whether you've tried it at a Thai restaurant or want to make it yourself, there's a reason this drink has fans everywhere. Let's break down what makes it special. The origins of Thai milk tea. Thai milk tea didn't just appear overnight, it's a drink with deep roots in Thailand's history. Travel back a few decades, and you'll find it started as a simple street vendor creation, blending strong local tea with sweeteners to suit Thai tastes. Unlike traditional Thai tea, which was served plain or lightly sweetened, the milk tea version became a modern hit by adding rich, creamy dairy. From bustling Bangkok sidewalks to global boba shops, this drink's journey reflects Thailand's love for bold, refreshing flavors with a touch of indulgence. Traditional Thai tea versus Thai milk tea. At first glance, both drinks share a base of strong brewed black tea, often a blend like Cha Tra Mu, a popular Thai brand. But the way they're prepared and served sets them apart. Traditional Thai tea, Cha Yen. Served hot or iced, often with just sugar or honey. Lighter in color and taste, focusing on the tea's natural earthy notes. Common in homes and casual eateries, sometimes spiced with tamarind or vanilla. Thai milk tea. Always iced and loaded with creamy textures from condensed milk and evaporated milk. Bright orange hue, from food coloring or natural ingredients like turmeric. Sweet, almost dessert-like, with a frothy top layer from shaking or stirring. The milk tea version evolved as vendors experimented with dairy to mellow the tea's bitterness. Today, it's the sweeter, richer cousin that's won hearts worldwide. The role of Thai milk tea in Thai culture. Walk through any Thai night market, and you'll spot stalls selling Thai milk tea in plastic bags with straws, a cheap, portable treat. It's more than just a drink, it's a social staple. Street food companion. Paired with spicy dishes like pad thai or som tam, it cools the palate. Vendors often customize sweetness levels, making each cup slightly unique. Everyday refreshment. From office workers grabbing a midday boost to students sipping it after school, it's Thailand's answer to iced coffee. Festivals and gatherings. Served at celebrations, sometimes with extra toppings like tapioca pearls or grass jelly for special occasions. Thai milk tea bridges tradition and modern cravings, proving that the best food innovations often come from the streets. Key ingredients in Thai milk tea. What makes Thai milk tea stand out isn't just its vibrant color, it's the careful combination of bold, sweet, and creamy elements. Each ingredient plays a crucial role, from the earthy depth of black tea to the luscious swirl of condensed milk. Let's break down the essentials that give this drink its signature taste. The importance of black tea. Not just any black tea works for Thai milk tea. Vendors and home brewers rely on robust varieties like Assam or Ceylon, often using brands like Cha Tra Mu, a Thai favorite known for its strong, malty flavor. This tea isn't shy, it's brewed extra strong to stand up to the sweetness of the milk, giving the drink its backbone. Why does it matter? Deep, tannic notes balance the sugary richness, keeping the drink from tasting flat. Aromatic blends sometimes include spices like star anise or tamarind, adding subtle warmth. The bold base ensures the tea's flavor shines through, even when loaded with cream. Skip weak tea bags here. The right leaves make all the difference between a forgettable drink and the real deal. Sweetness and creaminess, condensed and evaporated milk. Thai milk tea owes its velvety texture and indulgent sweetness to two dairy stars, condensed milk and evaporated milk. While they might seem similar, each brings something unique to the mix. Condensed milk is thick, sugary, and almost caramel-like. It sweetens the tea while giving it a smooth, syrupy body. Evaporated milk is lighter but still rich, adding a creamy finish without overwhelming the palate. Together, they create that perfect contrast, cool, silky, and just sweet enough to make you crave another sip. Some recipes even layer them, pouring evaporated milk over the top for a striking visual effect. Ever wondered why it's not made with regular milk? Fresh dairy would dilute the tea's intensity. These concentrated milks keep the flavor bold while delivering that signature lushness. How to make authentic Thai milk tea at home. Recreating the magic of Thai milk tea at home is easier than you think. With the right tea, a few key ingredients, and some simple techniques, you can whip up a glass that rivals your favorite street vendor's version. Here's how to get it just right: robust, creamy, and perfectly sweet. Brewing the perfect black tea base. The foundation of great Thai milk tea is a strong, full-bodied black tea. Skimp here, and your drink will taste weak or overly sweet. Follow these steps for a balanced base. Use the right tea. Opt for Thai tea blends like Cha Tra Mu or a mix of Assam and Ceylon. These boast the malty depth needed to stand up to milk and sugar. Steep it strong. For every cup of water, use 2 tablespoons of loose leaf tea, or 2 tea bags. Steep for 5-7 minutes, any longer and it turns bitter. Strain it well. Use a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to catch loose leaves or sediment. Nobody wants gritty tea. Pro tip. Add a pinch of star anise or cardamom while brewing for extra warmth, but keep it subtle. You want the tea to shine. Hope you enjoyed learning about the origins and basics of Thai milk tea. Stay tuned for part 2 where we'll dive into recipes and tasty variations. See you there. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.